Discussing the national development agenda with State Chief Minister at the Governing Council meeting of Niti Aayog, Prime Minister Narendra Modi today stressed on the need for centre and states to work together and make cooperative federalism even more meaningful. The Prime Minister said it's time to bring competitive cooperative federalism not only among states but also to districts. India, he said, wants to move fast and the people do not want to waste time now. As many as 13,993 new COVID-19 cases and 101 deaths were reported in the country in the last 24 hours, the Union Ministry of Health and Family Welfare said today. According to a media report, with the new cases, the coronavirus tally in the country has reached 1,977,387, including 1,43,127 active cases and 1,678,048 discharges. Death toll has mounted to 1,56,212 with the loss of 101 more lives due to the virus in the last 24 hours. As per the Health Ministry, 1,07,15,204 vaccine doses were administered till last evening. Manipur's COVID-19 case count stands at 29,230 after 5 new cases were reported in the last 24 hours as per the data from the State COVID-19 Command Control Room. The fresh cases were reported from Imphal West, Ukhrul, Churachandpur and Thoubal district. The state's death toll stands at 373. The number of active cases has dropped to 85, while the recovery cases reached 28,772. The state's recovery rate is 98.43% as of 11 a.m. today. Opponents of Myanmar coup took to streets again today with members of ethnic minorities, writers and poets and transport workers among those coming out to demand an end to military rule and the release of Aung San Suu Kyi and others. Reuters informed that protests against the February 1 coup that overthrew the elected government of the Veteran Democracy Campaign, Suu Kyi have shown no sign of dying down, with demonstrators skeptical of a military promise to hold a new election and hand power to winner. The All Manipur Muslim Students Organization AMSO today celebrated its Silver Jubilee at GM Hall in Imphal. During the celebration, AMSO leader reiterated the demand of 4% reservation of Meitei Pangal community of Manipur in job recruitment, educational and other institutions including the higher education to uplift the OBC communities in the state. They further appealed to Manipur government to fulfill already agreed demands. Assam Rifles Loktak Battalion under Churachandpur sector distributed essential commodities to ex-servicemen, Veer Naris and local populace of Ningtiching area of Bishnupur district during an interaction meet on February 18 last. The interaction meet was organized with an aim to address the grievances faced by ex-servicemen, Veer Naris and local residents of the area, Assam Rifle said. Dibrugarh is going to be connected by a direct flight to and fro the southern destination of Bengaluru 4 days a week by the INDIGO Airlines from March 1st. Media reports say that INDIGO Airlines Flight 6E6126 will take off from Bengaluru at 8:15 a.m. on Mondays, Wednesday, Fridays and Saturday to land at Dibrugarh at 11:15 a.m. The return flight 6E6128 will take off from Dibrugarh on the same respective days at 11:45 a.m. and arrive at Bengaluru at 15:25 p.m. NASA's Perseverance rover has sent some stunning photos of Mars, including a high-resolution color selfie taken during its landing. As per a media report, the selfie is part of a video taken by several cameras as NASA's Perseverance rover touched down on the red planet on February 18, while NASA's Mars Curiosity rover sent back a stop-motion movie of its descent. Perseverance cameras are intended to capture video of its touchdown, and this new still image was taken from the footage which is still being relayed to Earth and processed, the US Space Agency said in a statement yesterday. 3 Kung Fu students Tanvi Bandare, Ankit Raj and Vola Power were given Black Shah's belt today in a belt grading program organized under the guidance of President of Shaolin Traditional Kung Fu Federation of India, Pune, Maharashtra. Kung Fu instructor Jinsi Naina C. Lama, Jinsi Siddharth Thakkar, Jinsi Suraj Panikar, Jinsi Yas Bongle, Jinsi Sandeep Kunjir and Jinsi Sunil Khandale were the graders of the program.